Are you looking for the best vacuum cleaner super quiet high power? In this video we will look at some of the best vacuum cleaner super quiet high power on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bissell spotclean manual steam cleaner. Certifications: voltage V100 to 240 volts, power W330 watts, function wet and dry, brand name Isahi, origin mainland China, model number Bissell 3698Z, gyro handheld steam cleaner, max speed wet and dry, battery life 2 hours and 30 minutes, power W330 watts, dust storage type cyclone dust bucket, dust box size M390 x 32.50 160 mm, special suction nozzle, flat suction nozzle, voltage 220 to 240 volts, the type of motor brushless motor, special nozzle type, round brush, maximum noise 65 decibels, size 39 x 32.5 16 cm, Doma Rechsnerzadzani Duchzeiszenia Parago Sofa Duin Kurtina ad Kurzach Samakadoi Spray Sanias Integro Ana Massina Duchzeiszenia Parameter Productu Model U3698Z Mach 330 watts, Napi AC 220 to 240 volts, Funk Kamorkroi Suchad Lugos Cable 5 Rosmia 39 x 32.5 16 cm, Wagonetto 3.86 kg, Mali material OE Sofa I Massina Duchzeiszenia Duino. Spray Isanias Integro Ana Maszinich Zeiszka, ad Kurzach Domois Integro Ansani I Misi, Czistiodzieln Zabradzania, Zybko Rospus Zar Technology Falkai Epelnich Dirt Heat Wave. Number 2. 10 liters vacuum cleaner super quiet high power, power 1200 watts, voltage 111 to 240 volts, maximum noise 58 dB, capacity 10 liters, maximum suction power 22 kilopascals, vacuum 22 kilopascals, suction power 250 or rotational speed 30,000 revolutions per minute, dry and wet garbage disposal at the same time, not dirty hands. A variety of cleaning brush head meet the needs of different scenarios. Dry and wet garbage can wash, and a strong ground yet you are clean, simple and convenient. Up to 22 kpa. The amount of vacuuming can be easily handled, from fine dust to decoration dust, from residential to commercial. Multi-track noise reduction, low wind resistance, airflow channel structure, reduce the noise generated by air impact and motor vibration. Number 3. 15/25 liter high power vacuum cleaner. 15/25 liter high power vacuum cleaner, suction and drag integrate home appliance car wash, special commercial industrial vacuum cleaner, 86,000 pascals, feature rated voltage 220 volts tilde 50 Hz, rated power 16,000, peak power 1800 W, capacity 15 liters, suction velocity 45.1 liters/s, vacuum degree 2087 kba, product list 1, set rated voltage 220 volts tilde 50 Hz, power 1800 watts, capacity 25 liters, suction velocity 49.1 liters/s, consistent suction by semi-automatic filter cleaning, rated input power 1250 W, dust-free workspace, 99.95% of fine dust greater than 0.3 micron, filter by H13 HEPA filter, L-class certificate, reduce cost of ownership, pre-filter technology, extends main filter lifespan x3 times, compatible with any power tool, dust extraction connectors, easy to carry, specially designed drag and go rope, increased lifetime of the main filter with a large surface pre-filter. Warranty 1 year from the date of invoice. Provide invoice copy to claim warranty. For any queries please contact Bosch Power Tools India customer service number, toll free. Join Bosch, be connected for extended warranty and rewards. Number 4. 1400 watts vertical vacuum cleaner. 1400 watts vertical vacuum cleaner. 19 kPa high power vacuum cleaner. 5.5 liters large suction cleaner for office home carpet cleaning machine. Product type vertical vacuum cleaner. Voltage 220 VAC/50 Hz. Rated power of vacuum cleaner 1400 watts equals 1200 watts motor power plus 200 watts roller brush motor power. Cleaning width 300 mm. Vacuum degree 190 bar. Noise 80 dB. Net weight 9.2 kg. Product size 31 x 33 123 cm. Function carpet vacuum cleaner for industrial, commercial and office use. Voltage 220 volts to 50 Hz. Rated power 1000 watts. Capacity 10 liters. Power cord length 7 m. Noise 60 decibels. Airflow rate 48 liters/s. Material stainless steel plus engineering plastic. Barrel diameter 28.7 mm. Function vacuum, mite, hair, etc. Function carpet vacuum cleaner for industrial, commercial and office use. Voltage 220 volts to 50 Hz. Rated power 1000 watts. Capacity 10 liters. Power cord length 7 m. Number 5. 2000 watts suction power 23 kPa vacuum cleaner. 2000 watts suction power 23 kPa vacuum cleaner. Strong large power vacuum cleaner. Household carpet mite removal. 2.5 liters. Home appliance type horizontal vacuum cleaner. Rated voltage 220 volts. Rated power 2000 watts. Noise value 87 decibels. Vacuum degree 23 kPa. Power cord length 5 m. Dew cup capacity 2.5 liters. Powerful cleaner, powered by a 2000 watts powerful motor. Sonashi Cyclone vacuum cleaner ensures reliable performance. It has a metal telescopic tube for powerful suction and a flexible hose with airflow on the handle that pulls the smallest of dirt mites from every corner easily. Construction and design. This low noise vacuum cleaning machine is designed for heavy duty, domestic and commercial use. It features a large capacity 3 liters dust bag that does not require frequent change. Cyclonic technology. Sonashi electric vacuum cleaner is fitted with advanced cyclonic technology. It efficiently scoops up dust mites from all kinds of surfaces. The fast rotating vortex of the cleaner sucks in dust from the air at a high speed.